Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Semantic Manager tutorial. In previous lesson we talked about addressing, and in this lesson let's do some practice. So open our OB1 block and let's close this one, and this one, minimize it, and now view, we need the ladder diagram, and let's insert one network here. So my friends, let's add two normal open blocks here, and for example, if we assign the input for this normal open contact input 4.0 and 4.1 and what we have here, my friends, if you in the future when you work and you develop the program for PLC, you will see that the absolute address does not look informative. So to make it more informative, you must use the symbolic name for your inputs, and it's give you more opportunity in the future when you return to your project and you want to make some change in your project. You will understand what does mean this input or this input or the output of your program. So to do that, we click the right mouse button and choose the edit symbols, and here you can assign the name of your input. For example, let's write start button and press apply, close it, and let's change it for normal close, and here let's use the same input 4.1 and also let's make some change here and assign the stop button, apply, close. Now my friends, let's finish our network, and for example Q3.0, and you also assign the symbolic name for this output, or let's write it motor start, apply and close, and save it. Now my friend, for all the symbolic name in your programs, you can use this feature, this option. Here you have all symbolic names that you assign to your programs, and also when you work with a big project, when you have 10 or more analog input, analog output, digital input and digital output signals, you also can assign the symbolic name from this point directly to your inputs or outputs models. Let's write here the alarm release button, and it's pulled, apply it, close, compile and close again, and here if we open our symbolic name, we will see our alarm release button. And here also we have, when you can import and export your table to another project. If you want to copy your outputs from some models, you can do it from here, import, and you import all tables, all symbols that you store from the previous project. You give the order to your friends to make the symbol tables for you, and you import it from here. And for example, my friends, if you want to rewire or reassign your inputs or outputs for another address, you can do it simple from the programs. Let me look Q3.0, okay, and for example we want to rewire the output to from the Q3.0 to Q4.0, and here we write like this, we do like this, click on rewrite, and here we firstly we write the old address, and here we write the new address Q40 and press enter button. And now let's press OK button, and the rewire function is finished. We want to open the protocol that was created, no, and let's open our OB1 and check what happened. Yes, we rewired it, but the symbolic name is still on the Q3.0. Let me check it. Yes, it's still on the previous output. But my friends, we can do we can also reassign the symbolic name from our tables, which I showed you before. From here you can assign the different address for the symbol names. But before we can we must make some change for the address priority here, and you must set these flags. And you can read about this. It's very simple, but I never often use these options because before we start the project we completely finished all design and outputs for the project, and I think that you do it for the same way, and you will never use these options in the future. Maybe you will use, but I think when you design your project in correct way, you will never use it. So my friends, that's all for today. I think that's all for addressing, and in the next lesson we make some practical lesson again. So I wish you good health and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.